the dog?
Raymond, imagine putting your feet right there by mistake while that thing goes like that.
There's some people, they lock their legs, and when they go down, it snaps.
Hey! It's all done.
Mom, you try it.
Oh, this is uncomfortable. Oh, perfect.
Pull it down.
Okay.
It's like this, Diana. Time to get ripped. Wait, maybe if I just.
David, that's not how you do it. You're supposed to. David.
Mom, I want to try this one.
David, your back is gonna crack.
It's like a car. It's a car. I'm waiting.
Mom, please.
He's trying to shoot, guys. So we have to wait. Nice. Now it's to go. Raymond, take a press it with the bird too.
Hey, Mom, can we run on the grass?
Look.
Just letting you know there's probably spiders in there. And other dirty insects. Are you recording?
What do you
Rock
saw?
or beat off.
What? Okay. Slowly. We made it. We did it, guys. We made it.
No water.
Stop. It's nasty. You know what's gonna have you on it. Mom, see the pork yet, Mom? Just no community.
I don't. Hi guys, my name is Liana. We're gonna see the duck today. This is my first time. When I was a little baby, I was running around because I had a chip. Yeah. I was like a
Hey,
bee.
there's a yellow chair.
What?
Yellow chair.
Wheelchair?
Probably not
No!
know
No!
how
No!
to-
No!
That's probably not yours.
Mom, where's my blue chair at?
I had to rub my butt on it.
Weirdo.
It's almost like.
Because I'm a fan of YouTube, all the YouTubers. I do all the thumbs up.
No, you don't, Diana. You haven't seen all the YouTubers.
She tries with her new account. She does.
Diana, you don't know how to read.
Diana, who's your favorite YouTuber?
The girl with the curly hair and then
What's her name?
Tiana. She's my favorite.
Any other favorite YouTubers of yours?
Yours.
Mine.
There was a quiet.
Okay, I don't see.
Let's go on the bridge.
See? Then see there's birds and a duck.
I'm gonna give him my phone.
Diana, look.
Well, I can't give him.
No fishing. Mom, it says no.
We shouldn't bring the fun. We shouldn't bring the fun, Mommy. We shouldn't bring it. Oh, we only give the bird fun over there? Yeah, Mommy? I'm gonna give him fun. Let's just go. Let's go already.
Mom, birds like breads that's soggy to make it easy to swallow in their beaks.
Hi.
That little bird.
Yeah.
Anna, look at those.
Go feed
No.
it.
And try not to. Anna, just walk up like this. Anna. Anna, go. See? There you go. That's fine. Well, that's part from
Well, can I give them bread already?
Bread?
Can I give them bread already? Hey, look. Can I give them bread already?
Mom, look at that one.
Why he's not moving?
See, he just moved.
He just said he's like
What bird is it?
he's like this, and then
Mom, look
And
at
then
his
move.
feet.
Give it a piece of bread.
no, it says no feeding bread.
Then let's go home. That's the only reason we came here for.
No, we can also just like look at the ducks. Oh, that one's fast.
Mom, can somebody hold my backpack?
Look, the other one can't swim over there. It's drowning.
Look, that little girl. The girl. Bye, guys. Hope you get a thumbs up. Bye. And that's a weird bird over there. Bye.
Oh, Dave.